Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I am here at Kroger. We have an Ibotta haul to get. I've got 10 items for $5 back, plus I'm working toward the Blossom bonus that is getting ready to end here at the end of the month. So we're going to see how many items we can get for this awesome deal. All right, I'm going to grab one of these Mountain Dew Sparks here. They're regularly priced $2.09. Pay that out of pocket, but I'm going to get 50 cents back from Ibotta, and then also going to get 1,250 points back from Fetch, making this just 34 cents. Grabbing one of these plantain banana chips. They're $4.49 regularly priced, on sale for $3. Pay that out of pocket. We get $1 back from Ibotta, and then also I'm going to get $1 back from coupons.com app. However, you can also print off the coupon if you would rather do that. So we have these Kraft Mac Cheese. Grab 4 of them for this deal. It's $1.25 each. You get use the 5-time digital coupon, getting them for just $1 each, and then we have 35 cents back from Ibotta, making them 65 cents each. I'm gonna grab one of these rolled gold love tomatoes for completely free. So they're regularly priced $1.19, on sale for $1. We're getting that $1 back from Ibotta, making it free, plus 25 cents or 250 points back from Fetch, making it a 25-cent moneymaker. There we go. So I have 4 different rebates going on here. We have the Kellogg's Fruit Loops, the Apple Jacks. We also have the mini wheats, which I think are way back there. And then the Frosted Flakes, wherever they are. I think they're over there. So all of them are $1.99 with a digital coupon. Submit to Ibotta. You're going to get them for just $1.49 each. Not the best deal, but it's a great way to work towards those bonuses. All right, core bars right now are regularly priced $2.99, but they're on sale for $2 each, and we have $1 back on one for each one of these kinds. So that's 3 different rebates, which is a really awesome deal, and these are pretty good. So I wanted to throw in this extra little bonus that I grabbed in a separate transaction. So these Reeses peanut butter cups, these two peanut butter cups, they were actually on Woohoo for just 36 cents, normally priced just $1.19, which was an amazing savings. I ended up grabbing 15 of them, and if I had known something else, I would have grabbed one more, but 15 of them. Don't worry, I'm not planning on eating these all, although I am very tempted because Reese's are my favorite candy. But I actually am going to use these for some teacher gifts as Teacher Appreciation Week is coming up. But I wanted to show you the extra awesome savings that we had. So the Reese's peanut butter cups, you can see right here, were 36 cents. However, the second one was 50% off item for 18 cents. So every other one of these was 18 cents and the other ones for 36 cents. I couldn't believe how lucky I got. And like I said, I bought 15 of them. If I would have realized that I was going to get this particular deal, I would have thrown one more in for good measure. But I'm not going to complain that I got a really, really awesome deal on all of these Reese's that I'm definitely going to be using to bless somebody else. So let's talk final numbers for this haul. So these 14 items here total to be $36.90. After coupons and sale prices and all those good things, it's going to be $24.05 out of pocket. But it gets better because we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta and Fetch as well as coupons.com. So from coupons.com, we got $1 back for the banana chips. Fetch, we got $1.25 back for the Mountain Dew, and we got 25 cents back for the tomatoes. Total of $1.50 back. Then from Ibotta, we got back $8.90 plus a $5 midweek bonus. So real quick, we did have a couple of little issues with Ibotta. I did get an extra 50 cents on the cereal. It counted one of the cereals twice. I also got an extra $1 on the peanut butter core bar. So it counted it twice as well, even though I didn't submit for either one of those as twice. It also changed the Spark Mountain Dew from a single 20 ounce to a 12 pack, which I got $1 instead of 50 cents back for. So I actually got an extra $2 from Ibotta, which I was not expecting to get. So the final cost should have been $7.65 total, or 55 cents each. However, with the extra money from Ibotta, the total comes down to $5.65 total, or just 40 cents each. I am so proud of this haul. It is absolutely amazing. Now, I can't guarantee that you're going to get those extras from Ibotta, but still a really great haul that you can grab yourself. And of course, let me know in the comments where you're at on your Blossom bonus. I am getting nervous. I have a lot more rebates to get before the end of the month, but I'm going to keep trucking. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you later.